video. And today I'm gonna be pranking Remy. What I have right here is some pasta. Now I'm gonna take the pasta, take two, put them on each side of my mouth, and then I'm gonna call Remy in here. I'm gonna be like, my back hurt or my neck hurt, something. And then I'm gonna just ask them, like, Remy, massage my back or massage my neck or something like that. And then I'm asking them to try to crack my neck. So once I get them to try to crack my neck, I'm gonna have this in my mouth already. Then I'm gonna just bite down on it like, and it's gonna sound like he broke my neck. So once he break my neck, I'm gonna just be laying there like, and I just wanna see his reaction, see what he gonna do, if he gonna call his sisters or whatever. And we just gonna see how it goes. So y'all just stay tuned. Remy! Close that door and lock it.
Okay. Well, what do you want to do in here?
Nothing. You come hang with me?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, be civil.
Yeah. So, how was your day today?
Good.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Right, quick.
Yes.
Do you know how to walk on backs?
What's that?
Let me see. Like, if I told you to walk on my back, think you could walk on my back? Okay. Hold on. Let me.
Just do this and relax.
Lay down and relax.
Yeah.
All right. Can't make it hurt. Hold on, you stepping on my hair. Oh.
That feel good? Well, smooth kind of walk. My tail.
Ooh, walk. Ooh, walk that hurt.
That feel good?
Mm-hmm.
That
Oh, no.
Are you alive? Are you alive? Mommy? Hello? Hey, you're laughing.
Yeah. I scared you. You thought something happened to me?
Yeah.
You thought you broke my back?
Yeah.
I got you, boy.
I think.
I got you, boy. It was a prank. Look at the camera. Everybody, I prank Remy. How you feel?
Good.
You feel good. How you feeling? I pranked you.
You make me happy when you do prank on me.
At least he tried. Remember, you slapped me hard.
That makes you happy?
You slapped me hard. My face still buzzing a little bit. Alright, y'all, but that's it for today's prank. I'll try to get them. And I think I got them. I think I did good on this one.
Yeah, he did. He did good.
So Remy, come sit down right here and tell them what to do next. Make sure they what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, and what else?
Comment down below.
And what else? Like the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Ain't no telling what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Cause I always got some tricks up my sleeve.
And we always got some pranks.
And we always got some pranks. So y'all, stay tuned for the next video.
And
See y'all later.
peace.
Peace.